So just a few bolts and she comes right off. We're making moves, boy! It's been a while. I want to thank you all for helping me reach 250 subscribers. It may not sound like a lot, but to me it's a lot, because that's 250 people. First and foremostly, second mostly, this is my new room. To get a bit of independence, do my own thing, and of course play more cars. Let's go have a look at what's happening downstairs in the garage. But now, the almighty unveiling. If you don't follow me on Instagram, that is. But for YouTube, here it is. The Toyota Chaser on the VSKFs. Boom, baby. 1JZ. But, bam, there she is. Looking shiny and shit. But yeah, Series 1. Tuned on E85 and 98. Melted app. Look at that. Gunky and shit. So apparently because it wasn't sitting nicely, it was melting. And if it's melting, there's not a proper connection. And if there's not a proper connection, then that means we aren't getting any fuel. Yeah.
Every time the dogs bark, you point fingers, but them choppers cutting arms off. These
And just like that, we've wired up a new fuse. Yeah, the setup